Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Thumbtack affiliate program step by step clearly. To get started with the Thumbtack affiliate program, first, visit the Thumbtack website. Look for the affiliate program link, usually found in the footer or under a dedicated section. Click on the link to be directed to the affiliate program page. Read through the program details and benefits to ensure it meets your needs. Locate the Sign Up button on the affiliate program page. Click the Sign Up button to access the registration form. Fill out the required information, including your name and email address. Create a secure password for your new affiliate account. Provide any additional information requested, such as your website or social media links. Review the terms and conditions of the affiliate program. If you agree, check the acceptance box to proceed. Submit your registration form to create your account. After submission, check your email for a confirmation message from Thumbtack. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your Thumbtack affiliate dashboard. Explore the dashboard to find marketing materials and affiliate links. Choose the links or banners you wish to promote. Copy your unique affiliate link for use in your promotions. Start sharing your affiliate link across your platforms. Track your performance and earnings through the affiliate dashboard. Stay updated on any changes or new promotions from Thumbtack to maximize your earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.